Hey everyone, it's Jimmy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something absolutely delightful for you. We're making strawberry mousse with just 2 ingredients. You heard that right? First up, you'll need 300 milliliters of whipping cream. Make sure it's chilled, nice and cold. Then we've got 200 g of strawberry puree. Fresh or frozen, doesn't matter. Just blend those strawberries until smooth. All right, let's get started. Grab your mixing bowl and pour in the whipping cream. Now we're going to whip it up until it forms soft peaks. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes with an electric mixer. Once your cream is whipped, gently fold in the strawberry puree. Take your time here. You want to keep that lovely airy texture. Fold until everything is beautifully combined and a gorgeous pink hue. Now spoon the mixture into serving glasses. Pop them into the fridge for about an hour to set. And there you have it, a luscious strawberry mousse with just 2 ingredients. Give it a go. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.